Find the gradient and y-intercept of a line from its equation. Pause the video and have a go at example 10. The equation of a straight line is usually written as y equals mx plus c. M, the number in front of the x, is your gradient or your slope. Remember to find that you draw a triangle and do the rise over the run, or the change in the y values divided by the change in the x values. Plus c, what you add on to the number of x's, the c, is the y-intercept. And that's the y value when x is 0. So without drawing it out, you can tell from the equation the gradient and the y-intercept. Example 10. Write down the gradient and y-intercept for these straight lines. So in part A, the gradient is the number in front of the x, which will be 3, and whatever you add or subtract onto the number of x's is your c. In this case, that is 7. In part B, the gradient is the number of x's. There's no number here. Doesn't mean it's 0. It's just 1x. So for 1x, we just write x, but the number in front of the x is 1. C is what you add or subtract onto the x's. In this case, we're subtracting 5 from it, so that y-intercept is -5. Part C, we've got to be careful. The gradient is the number in front of the x, which is -2. And the c is what you add or subtract to the -2x, which is the 9. So the order is switched around there, but remember the gradient's always in front of the x, and the c is the other bit that you add or subtract on.